Today we're going to break down the ending of Video Space Season 1 in very simple words, and also talk about some interesting theories about what might happen in Season 2. So if you were confused by the finale, don't worry, I've got you covered step by step. So by the end of Video Space Season 1, everything seems finally starts coming together, but at the same time it also leaves us with a lot of unanswered questions. Throughout the season, we follow the main characters as they try to uncover their secrets inside the town of Widow's Bay. At the beginning, it feels like simple small mysteries and personal drama, but slowly the story becomes much bigger, involving betrayal, hidden plots, and shocking truths that nobody expected. In the final episode, the biggest reveal completely changed everything. The truth behind the central mystery turns out to be connected to people who were actually trusted from the very beginning. One of the key characters is shown to be hiding a major secret, and their secret changes the way we understand the entire story. Suddenly, what looked like random accidents or normal events have revealed to be part of a much bigger and carefully planned situation. This movement is very important because it flips the entire narrative upside down. The people we thought were innocent may not be innocent at all, and the events we thought were unrelated are actually connected pieces of a bigger puzzle. The final conversation in the last episode exposes this truth, and it leads to broken relationships, emotional damage, and chaos spreading throughout the town. But instead of giving us full clear ending, the show leaves us on a cliffhanger, meaning a lot of answers are still missing. The final scene also hints that the danger is not actually over. In fact, it feels like everything in Season 1 might have been only the beginning of something even bigger and more dangerous waiting ahead. So what does all of this really mean? Basically, the ending is trying to tell us that nothing in Widow's Bay is simple. Every character seems to be connected in some way to the central mystery, and the truth is layered in different parts. The writer clearly wanted viewers to think deeply and connect the dots themselves instead of giving everything directly. It also strongly suggests that the full truth has not been revealed yet, and Season 1 is just a setting foundation of a much bigger picture. Now let's talk about some Season 2 theories, because this is where everything gets even more interesting. One theory is that even though a big reveal happened in Season 1, the real mastermind behind everything is still out there. Fans believe that the person exposed so far might not be a real villain, and Season 2 could focus on uncovering someone much more powerful working behind the scenes. Another theory suggests that a completely new character might enter the story in Season 2. This character could either help solve the mystery or make the situation even complicated by adding new secrets and conflicts. There is also a theory that Widow's Bay itself has much darker history and that we also have seen so far. Some clues suggest that the town has been hiding secrets for many years, and the current event might actually be connected to something that happened in the past. The Season 2 could expose that there's old hidden incidents in more detail. Another interesting idea is that there could be betrayal from within the main group. Someone who survived in Season 1 might not be fully honest, and Season 2 could reveal that the suggested characters have been hiding the bigger secret all along. So if this theory turned out to be true, Season 2 is going to be much darker, more emotional, and full of big twists. The story will likely move beyond personal drama and focus more on deeper mystery behind Widow's Bay. We can expect more shocking reveals, more intense movement, and finally some answers to the question that Season 1 left behind. In my opinion, Season 1 did a really good job building mystery and keeping viewers engaged, but it also left too many questions unanswered at the end. Now Season 2 has a big opportunity to deliver deeper, stronger, and more satisfying story if it explains everything properly. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more explanation and theories.